let's take a look at how easy it is to add new tenants to your LCN partner dashboard. So this can be one of two ways. This can either be an existing LCN customer that you want to basically request delegation and access rights to, or it can be a completely new tenant that you need to onboard, say a new client that you've brought on that you want to bring into the LCN ecosystem. So you start by logging into your partner dashboard, then hit Add Tenant to Manage. Now what we're actually going to do is redirect across now to our app.lcn.ai website, so the normal kind of LCN product itself, and then you'll be asked to re-authenticate. And the important thing here is we need to authenticate with the tenant that you want to protect. So let's select Continue here. And I've already logged in. In this case, I want to onboard an existing tenant, but the workflow is really the same. If they're an existing tenant, you just won't get those initial setup requests asking, where you want your data to reside, what sort of time zone you're in, and obviously accepting the permissions of the LCN application itself. So let's select this customer here and see what happens, because once we get into the dashboard, it'll pop up and prompt us for some permissions that we can then use to onboard that customer. So let's let that run for a second. Okay, we're now loading back into the dashboard, and you'll see that a request to be managed by a partner has popped up. And so there's a couple of options here. By default, we'll be able to view statistics, but also there's a delegated rights here. So as a partner, you can elect to just view statistics, or you can have full management rights and the customer can sign off on that. So I'm going to run with the default, which is full management and delegation, as well as obviously viewing the statistics. I can then click accept, and that is now in our portal. And so if we log back into the partner portal now and go back, we should see this new tenant listed there that we can then manage day to day and do all the delegated access control things. So let's take a look at this now. Let's log back in, change context back to our partner account, log into our partner dashboard one last time to view the result of what we've just gone through here. Collecting tenant data in a second there. Now you'll see the tenant 13559 is onboarded, and this was an existing tenant, so you can see we've already got data protection in place, compliance is at 100%, and backups are running successfully. So that's how quick and easy it is to either adopt adopt an existing tenant or onboard a new tenant within LCN into your partner dashboard.